Hello everybody. This one today is going to be more of a taste test thing. Some stuff I've bought off Amazon. Some seasonings. I mentioned it on my video one I done the other day. The Mr Marinade, which I got from the butcher's, which was absolutely delicious. But we're going to try these today. I've got 4 different ones. I'm not going to do all 4 because it's too much really. It ain't going to be it. I'm just going to do the 2, but I'll show you what the 4 are. Let me show you. Okay, this is the seasonings that I've got. It is called Mr Marinade. It's the same sort of, it's not the same people. I don't think so. Anyway, it might be, but I don't think so because Mr spelt different. But these were on Amazon and these cost me £5 each. I got them the other day. But the real price is, it was on sale, £5.69. I've got a Chinese style salt and chili pepper one. I've got a chicken, a tikka meat glaze marinade one. I've got a garlic butter one, meat glaze. And I've got a doner kebab seasoning one. Now I'm not going to do the doner kebab or the tikka today. They're going to be for another day, so I'll put them away. I'm going to do garlic butter meat glaze marinade on some chicken thighs, put that there as you can see. And I'm going to do Chinese style salt and chili pepper fries, just some frozen fries. That's all I'm going to do. I just want to do it like a taste test, if you get what I mean. Now I'll go through all the ones I do quite a lot. They do a Chinese one obviously, which I've got. They also do, let me go through the ones that I haven't got. I do a barbecue one, Cajun one, a big Chinese one, a garden mint, garlic butter I've got, hot and spicy, Jamaican jerk, lemon pepper steak, piri piri, smoky barbecue, sweet and chilli sold out, sweet chilli and lime sold out, a tandoori and a tikka I've got. So I do quite a lot. And apparently it's 15-minute marinade. So you just rub it on the stuff and away you go. So let's do the chicken. Okay, I've got my chicken thighs out. I've just given them a pat dry, that's all. Now the garlic butter meat glaze marinade says 15-minute marinade. A blend of garlic, I'll put my glasses on so I can see. Garlic and mild herb with a rich buttery flavour. Sprinkle on, wait 15 minutes for the marvellous marinade to develop. There you go, there's the ingredients. There's the allergies. I suppose you could make it yourself, couldn't you, if you followed the ingredients roughly. You know what I mean? That's all it says, there's nothing on the back. It doesn't say how much to use, I don't think. No, so you sprinkle it on, don't you, I suppose. And these are Chinese style salt and chili peppers. You get an extra 20% on this one, 300 gram. Sprinkle on your stir fries when cooking. Go on, it's delicious. Directions for use. Very easy to seasoning. Simply dust on meats, poultry, fish and cook for the required time. Well, I'm going to put it on fries anyway. Can be added to soups, casseroles, chips, yes. Potato wedges, mashed potatoes, rice, pizzas prior to cooking. That's what I'm going to do. There's the ingredients on that one. MSG I can see there. Alright, so then on to the garlic butter meat glaze. Let's give it an open. I'm just going to do them in the air fryer as well, forgot to tell you. I think they would probably be better done in the frying pan on the hob or something to get all that marinade flavour going through. But for the test, I'm just going to do them in the air fryer. So let's open these up. Move that out of the way a minute. I'll get it. There it is. The garlic butter one. Oh, it smells very nice, that does. Garlic and the butter. Oh, I can smell that. Well, I'll do that one first. What I'll do, I'll get a bit of oil, because I want it to stick. So I'll just put some one spray on. If you just put it, I suppose you could put it all in a bowl and put some oil in, couldn't you? I could do that, couldn't I? No, I'll do it like this. I'll spray it both sides. I'll do it both sides. Give it a spray. Sprinkle on, turn it over, and we'll leave it. I'll probably do it with the fries. Put them in a bowl. Let's get some of this out then. Just using a tablespoon here. Don't know how much to pull on. I'll pull it on and I'll give it a rub. So if you put it in a bowl, you mix it all in one, wouldn't you? So you wouldn't waste so much, so. Give it all a mix together. Get a bit more. I want to get a lot because I want to taste it, you see. You want to taste it, don't you? Now about do, turn it over. And we will do the other side. Like so. There we go. They're done. We'll leave them 15 minutes. I'll wash all my hands up. Right, while that chicken's marinating, I'm going to do me fries now. So I just got these from Aldi. God, they used to be like 69p. They're like £1.50 now or something. And what I'm going to do with these, put these in a bowl, a bit of oil, and then put some of that seasoning on top, because these are frozen. I suppose if you've done fresh, homemade, it'd probably be a lot better, but for the video, I'm using these. Break all them up. Put an handful in. A little bit more, in case they're delicious. There we go. That'll be them. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in, just give the seasoning something to grip. I should have done that with a chicken, shouldn't I? Or should I just put the chicken in a bag, shouldn't I? But as a test, we'll see, eh? I suppose if you put it, I mean, if you marinate it longer, it'd probably be a lot better, wouldn't it? But we'll see. I suppose you could do it with some yoghurt as well, couldn't you? Add it to the yoghurt. While you're marinating the chicken, I bet that'd be nice. Oh, that does smell a bit spicy, that. See all the chilies in there. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, really nice. Oh, it's it's got in your nose. Right, let's sprinkle some on. Says use sparingly because it's very hot, so I don't know what it means by that. We'll find out, won't we? Maybe that. I don't know. Get all the mix. I'm hoping it'll grab. Should do. There we go. That's them. Nice and simple. Okay. I've just warmed the air fryer up. The chickens are done and they are marinating. I could have done a little bit more. That's what I said. You've got to put them in a bag or a bowl. Maybe a bit of buttermilk or something in there. You'd have been a lot better, I think, but your camera can't probably pick it up. But it is marinating, look, if you can see. But anyway, it's all a trial, isn't it? I don't know how many I'll get in here, actually, but we'll have a look. I'm doing skin up first. Just so I don't want the skin sticking to this. But it isn't really going to matter. I mean, it is better if you do skin down, but... See how many I can get in. Try and get some sort of the same size so they're cooked together, if you know what I mean. There's two I can't get in. But we'll close that up and we'll get the fries in this one. Put all them in. Get all that chilli on there, look. See what they're like. This does smell nice, actually. It does smell very nice. Spread them out a bit. And I'll put this one in the other air fryer. You've only got one air fryer, I'd do your chicken first, pull it in a bowl, wrap it up like you do with Sunday dinner, then do your fries. Yeah, there was two left. We're going to put them in a bag and I'm going to marinate it all in there. Because I reckon that's going to be a lot better. I'll probably have them tomorrow or something, put them in the fridge. And if you can look at that, it is marinating, look, see. But I reckon, because I've lost quite a lot there, if you put them in a bag, you're going to get it all, ain't you? And that's what I should have done. But hey up, never mind. Okay, it's been 15 minutes so far. I'm going to have a look. I haven't looked yet. Oh, they smell absolutely delicious. Caught a bit on that one, let's turn them over. Oh, yes. I was doing something on my PC and I should have turned them over a bit sooner early, but never mind. Oh, the smell's smelling delicious, honestly. There we go. Okay, they are done. Right, let's get them out. Oh, you want to have a look? They look delicious. Oh, and they smell really nice as well. Really nice. Garlic butter. That's them. Right, now get the fries out. Bowl, bit of kitchen paper, kitchen towel, just because bit of oil on them from the fat, I suppose. I've made a mess of me air fryer though. When I shook them. But there's the fries. Hot, 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 hot. Oh yes, look at them. Put that away. Give them a couple of minutes there while I set the plates up. And I've got myself another bowl. I'm having a bit of salad on the side. Pull it in there. I can help the salad then. With some Tesco drizzle, and that loves this. There we go. Give that a mix. And that'll probably eat all this bowl. She does like it. There we go. Right. Up the table then. Is it spicy? That's tucking in. You know what she's like, she can't wait, can you? It smells delicious, doesn't it? Doesn't it smell nice?
It does smell nice, actually.
Oh.
You do too much chatting.
I know, yeah. Well, it's a video, innit? I'll put it on the plates. Let me show you. I can't eat my food really hot anyway, can I? You know what I'm like.
No, I can't eat my food cold.
You can't eat yours cold. There's the chicken. And it smells delicious. There's the chips, fries, whatever you want to call them. There's a bit of salad there.
They are quite salty, see.
What them chips are, the fries are. I like what, well it is salt, isn't it? Salt and chilli.
I don't know what you've used it on.
Salt and pepper chilli, I think, or something it's called.
Yeah, if you don't like much salt, you know what I mean? That's salt on your food.
It does say on the packaging, doesn't it, use sparingly.
I'll use that one.
So I just put whatever was in there, yeah.
I'll use that one then.
Well, let's try these fries first then.
They're not overly salty, but you wouldn't need extra salt on them. Is that what I mean?
That's about perfect for me.
And me.
And I'm getting that kick of the spice after. You know what I mean? Oh, that is gonna be spicy.
I think if I put any salt on it, I'd have ruined my chips.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I was trying to say.
Hard chip there. That's got a kick after, hasn't it? That. And then chips, hasn't it?
Yeah. Try my chicken.
Let's try one of you go first then.
Try it on its own first.
Sorry about the light. It's garlic butter, I think it's called. Garlic butter.
That's nice.
Is it nice? It'd been better if I probably marinate it for like an hour in a bag or something. I have got some more in the bag. What's it like?
I do like that. Actually.
You do like it?
Yeah, it's nice that one is.
Nat likes it. So let me try. I'm going to try the skin first.
Are there two different ones? Or are they both the same?
No, they're both the same.
And you just use something else on chips?
Yeah. We use
right,
chili thingy chips.
Oh.
Salt and chili chips. And there's the skin. Well, that skin's nice. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That skin is nice.
That's really nice, that is. I like that.
And you can take that garlic and that. It's not overpowering, is it?
I was just going to say that.
It's not overpowering, but you can taste it in the food, can't you? In the skin.
Yes, you can.
Or the chicken itself. Yeah. Hot. I don't know what they are. Like cabbage or something.
I don't know. That's what I was tasting. That chicken's nice.
That chicken's really nice, isn't it?
The skin's proper. I love chicken skin.
And I think if I marinate it like I got the two in the bag, in the fridge, I reckon that'd be 100 times better.
How long did you marinate it for?
15 minutes, like it says on the packet. Well, I could have put it in a bowl and mixed it all up, but I never. Just to get the extra marinating, you know what I mean?
Nice.
Well, that is really, really nice. Isn't it?
I do like that.
Yeah. And the fries, I say, they've got a little kick. Nothing you can't handle. And cause I've become a bit of a weakling with a spice, haven't I? Seems to be affecting me more now as I'm getting older. But that's nice.
Yeah.
£5 a bag. Well, I paid. I think the £5.60 something now, I think. I like them chips. There's that one. What's it called? Chinese style, salt and chilli, pepper seasoning. Lovely. You can just use it on fries or chips. Use it on your meat, stir fries as it says and all that stuff. Brilliant. And it's quite big. Garlic meat glaze. I'd probably put that with some buttermilk or some yoghurt with your chicken. So you're getting it all in there. But that is, and I reckon that'd be 100 times better. That is delicious stuff. Isn't it? You're getting a kick off them fries. So there we go. And you see, I've told you what the other ones to do, other flavours. I've got the chicken tikka one and the doner meat one there, which I'll do one day. But as I say, there you go. Let me know if you've had them before from Mr Marinade off Amazon. I'll probably put a link in the description so in case you want to have a look yourself. Yeah, I will. Just in case you want to have a look. So until the next time, I am the old food guy. See you later. Oh, you might have a 10 back before we go.
Proper 10.
Proper 10.
Yeah.
I think it's delicious.
It's lovely.
And you even like the rabbit food, don't you, with that stuff on? Don't you, with that glaze on thing?
I love that glaze stuff. Yeah.
I'd probably get a 10 as well. I reckon that's really nice.
I think it's proper weird.
Mind you, no, I'm going to get a 9. And I'll tell you why. Because it's nowhere near as good as that other one. That I had from the butcher's the other day. That was Mr Marinade as well.
I love it.
But a different company, I suppose. Because that one was absolutely a 10.
Oh,
it was more than a 10, wasn't it? But then, and obviously, marinate it yourself to your taste and trial and error, that sort of stuff, innit?
It sure is.
See you later. Bye-bye.